here to talk to you about Screencastify. So let's hop over to my computer screen. So I've signed in, and that's the most important thing to do is to sign into Chrome. Screencastify is what's called an extension, so it works in Google Chrome. So you want to be signed in, and if you look up in the right-hand corner here, I click on that icon or that little image there, and I'm signed in. This is my demo account. You would see your student number at school.ecsd.net. All right, now the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to model installing the extension if you don't have it. So how to do that is we're going to click up here in the address bar and we're going to type Screencastify. It's going to take us to the search page and we're going to look for this particular website, www.screencastify.com. And it'll say this, Screencastify, the #1 screen recorder. If you click on that, and you can also type in screencastify.com at the top, it'll take you right here. And you see it says add to Chrome, it's free. You might already have it installed. If not, click on this. It's going to take you through a little couple steps where once again going to look for that add to Chrome. We're adding it to our Chrome browser up here with the rest of our extensions. Again, it's asking, so make sure you're reading these things. It says add Screencastify. We know that this is a safe program because our teachers told us to install it and it's something that the school board uses. So it's just going to add that little extension up there for us. Now you see it pop up here. If it's the first time you use it, it may be hidden. So notice that it vanished. Where did it go? Well, if I look over here, I have a little puzzle piece. This is where Chrome likes to hide my extensions that aren't being used. So if I look here, there it is. It's right under there. So that's a little troubleshooting for you. If you don't see one of your extensions up here in that bar, and I'm missing that Screencastify little peach and pink arrow, I can find it in the puzzle piece, and then I'm going to pin it, like putting a pin in a bulletin board. I'm going to pin it right up there at the very top. All right, so now you've installed Screencastify. You're ready to use it. I'm going to go over how to access it before we get creating videos. So first of all, you'll see Screencastify remains up here in your extensions bar. At any time, click on it to see their menu. Oh, it's the first time I've ever logged in. So sorry, this is something you're going to have to sign in with your Google account. Remember to read. Please sign in with your Google account to continue. It takes a lot of clicks. Choose an account. Well, I want to let it access my school account. It again is a school approved, school safe. Now it's saying, can it allow access to your Google Drive? Again, it's a safe, trusted program that your school has told you to access. So you can let it have access. And then it's going to say, can it use your camera and your microphone and drawing? So make sure to be paying attention to the words that it's saying. Again, it's going to ask you more permissions. It's just that security feature. Now over here it's saying, can you use your microphone and camera again? So allow. So what Screencastify is doing is it's communicating with Chrome, and you're saying, Chrome, let Screencastify access or use my Google stuff. And then right here, you want to let them know that you're a student, because as a student, you get some extra little benefits. And then you have to say how old you are. All right. Now that you're ready to go, now I want to introduce you to the Screencastify menu. Up here, when we click on the extension, we can see all of the different recording options for Screencastify, as well as some other options up at the top, like how to access your recordings. So that's the introduction to how to install and how to access the menu for Screencastify. Hope you enjoyed.